A very fresh Sunday morning to all my lovely kids out there. So, as I promised you, today we are going to play a game, right? A game which is from the circulatory system. One thing I request you all that if you have not read this topic, that is the circulatory system from my notes, then don't attempt this exercise or don't play this game because first revise that system and then you will love to play this game with me, right? So there are few rules for this game. To total I'm going to ask 10 questions from you, and every question carry 1 mark, right? So now where are the answers? So answer can be somewhere in between your questions. Answers can be in between the video, in middle of the video, or answers can be given at the end of the video. So what you have to do now, you have to, after every question, you have to write down your answer in your notebook, in your rough notebook, and once you get the answer, I will give the answer either between the video or maybe at the end of the video. So once I will give the answer, you have to mark those answer. For every single question, you are given 1 mark. So total 10 questions are there. It means this exercise or this game is for 10 marks. So how will I be how will I be able to know that how many students they have done this game with me? So for that, once you are done with this game, you have to mention your total number of marks with your name in the comment box, right? I hope these things are clear to you, that total questions, they are 10, and for each question 1 mark is given to you. How to count your marks? That if your answer will be correct, you have to give 1 mark to yourself. If it is incorrect, then you have to put 0. The best part of this exercise is you have to be very honest. No cheating. And again, if you have not revised the topic, then don't play this game, right? Only if you are very sure, then let's start this exercise. So best of luck, students. Let's start our interesting game with our first question, that is, you have to choose correct answer from the given options. So first question for you is, roots of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, or none of these. Once again I am going to repeat the question. Roots of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of, you have to give me correct answer, diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, or none of these. You have 5 to 10 seconds to attempt this question. So read this and attempt this. I hope you have done and you have written your answers correctly. So let's move to the second question. A blood vessel which pumps the blood. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. Once again, read the question carefully. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. What is this? Is it a hemoglobin? Is it a capillary? Is it a vein? Or is it an artery? I know that all of you know the correct answer. Please mark it carefully and write down in your rough notebook right now. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. Let's move to third question, and if you have done with the first and second question, let's move to the third one. So here is one word answer. You have to give me one word answer for this. Blood consists of a fluid medium known as dash. Again, blood consists of a fluid medium known as fluid medium. So it is known as what it is known as, what the blood is having, which is a fluid. So okay, so here is the time to mark your answers. The first question is having the correct answer, that is your option number C. So first question's answer is osmosis, and if it is correct then mark one answer, then give yourself 1 mark, and if it is incorrect then put 0. Now a blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body, and the answer is artery. So those who have marked correct answer, give yourself 1 mark, and others please put 0. Now for third answer you have to wait. You have to first attempt fourth question. A frog's heart has dash chambers. How many chambers? If you have revised my video for amphibians, reptiles, fishes, then you will definitely write the correct answer. A frog's heart has dash chambers. Let's move to the next question. Choose correct answer. This is our fifth question. Oxygenated blood reaches heart by pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta, or vena cava. Once again, let's repeat the question. Oxygenated blood reaches heart by pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, aorta, or vena cava. So it is a time to give you answers. So here, blood consists of a fluid medium which is known as plasma. So those who have written correct answer for this, give yourself 1 mark. Now next is frog's heart has how many chambers? 3 chambers. Frog's heart, amphibians and reptiles, they have 3 chambered heart. So if you are now doing the correct job, then you will carry 4 marks, and those, if there is something incorrect, then put there 0. Now fifth is oxygenated blood reaches heart by, you know the exception, that is your pulmonary vein. So correct answer for fifth question is pulmonary vein, right? Next, let's move to now sixth question. You have to tell me, where does the maximum exchange of material between blood and surrounding cells occur? Once again, let's see the question. Where does, कौन सा ऐसा place है जहाँ पे maximum exchange of material between blood and surrounding cells occur? Is this a heart, or are they veins, or they are arteries, or they are capillaries? What is your right answer? Please mark your correct answer quickly. You have to be very, very honest, otherwise this game will be of no use for you. Now, one word answer you have to write down here. Translocation utilizes energy to transfer dash into phloem tissue. It is the most easiest question I have given. Is it a sugar, or it is a fat, or it is a potassium, or it is a lipid? Let's once again read the question. Translocation utilizes energy, which is ATP, to transfer dash into phloem tissue. So you have to choose your correct answer, which I believe that you have already chosen it. You have already chosen the correct answer, and I hope that it should be correct one. So let's move to the next question. Choose another correct answer from the given option. Thrombocytes is another name for thrombocytes. We have done this one. I will not give you a hint. Thrombocytes is another name for red corpuscles, platelets, plasma or white blood corpuscle? You know the answer, only you have to think a little bit in that direction. Thrombocytes is another name for. So please mark your correct answer. I'm going to move to the next question, and I hope you have marked the correct answer of this question. Let's move to question number 9. Blood pressure is measured by an instrument which is known as ECG, stethoscope, or sphygmomanometer. This is the easiest one. That blood pressure is measured by which instrument? Is it a ECG, or is it a stethoscope, or is it a stethoscope, or is it a sphygmomanometer? Correct, mark your correct option or write down your correct answer. So here we are moving to our last question of this game, that is 10th. Valves are not found in arteries, veins, heart, lymphatic system. Let's read the question again. Valves are not found in arteries, veins, heart, lymphatic system. Very, very clearly mentioned in your notes. Valves, where are not valves are present? There are not valves present. Arteries, veins, heart, or lymphatic system. Now it's a time for your answers. Right. Now the sixth question. The answer of sixth question is, where does the maximum exchange of material between the surrounding cells? If the basic thing into this question to mark is the thinnest one, that is your capillaries. The correct answer for this is the capillaries, in which maximum exchange of material between blood and surrounding cells occur. So if this is incorrect, please mark 0 very honestly, and if it is correct, then mark give yourself 1 mark. Next is the translocation utilizes energy to transfer dash into phloem tissue. You know very well that what is transported or transferred into phloem tissue. The answer is, without any doubt, it is sugar. So correct answer is here sugar. Check your answers very, very, very honestly. Next is the thrombocytes is another name for, even if you have doubt in somewhere in red corpuscles or plasma or white blood corpuscles, you know that in mechanism of blood clotting we talked about thrombin as well as prothrombin. So it is very, very easy hint for you. Thrombocyte is another name for platelets. So the correct answer of 8 is, that is platelets. Let's move to the question number 9. That blood pressure is measured by an instrument which is known as, so the correct answer for this is sphygmomanometer. That is answer D. And the last, valves are not found in arteries. So this is the right answer. So here we are finished with our game. I hope that you like this game. If you like this game, then please put the thumbs up, and if you like the question, then also put thumbs up, and we will start with another topic in another video. Till then, take care.